squat, kick, squat, kick.
4-count burpees, 10 repetitions.
Want to learn more about the Adidas Training App? Well, in this video, I go over everything you need to know. Hey, if you're new here, my name is Kevin and I'm a certified personal trainer, and on my channel you'll find weekly reviews, tips and tutorials on fitness apps, equipment, and more. And today we're looking at the Adidas Training App. The Adidas Training App is a fitness app that offers a wide range of workouts, comprised of mostly bodyweight exercises. It's made to fit with whatever time you have available, whether it's 5 minutes, a half hour, 45 minutes, or more. The app and all of its main workout features are free, but there is a premium option as well. Some key features of this app that we'll look at in more detail in this video include its helpful workout creator and its comprehensive exercise library. But first, what devices can access this app? Compatible devices. This fitness app is available on many Apple products, such as the iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and even Apple TV. It's also available on Android devices via the Google Play Store. And you can view it on a larger display, like a TV, using Chromecast. Related apps. The Adidas Training App is focused primarily on cardio, strength, and flexibility workouts, whereas the Adidas Running app, which also goes by Runtastic, is focused on, of course, running. A direct competitor to the Adidas Training App is the Nike Training Club app, which also offers various cardio, strength, and yoga workouts. And if you want to see my review on that app, go ahead and check out this video right over here. Workouts. There are mainly two types of ways workouts are presented in the Adidas Training App. One is called guided workout, which essentially is a follow-along video of an Adidas trainer performing exercises. Sometimes the instructor is silent, only going through the movements. Other times, it truly is a guided workout, and they're explaining how to execute different exercises.
Squat, kick, squat, kick.
The other type of workout is essentially a list of exercises that you go through, either based on reps or time. You're given an exercise, shown a video on how it's performed, and you complete the designated number of reps or keep working until the timer stops. In these workouts, you're able to focus on strength building, cardio, and flexibility. And there are various difficulty levels, so there's something for beginners and advanced level athletes. With the exception of a few banded workouts, most of the exercises you'll be performing are all bodyweight based. And all workouts begin with an optional warm-up. To find these workouts, you just scroll through your workouts tab and find a workout description that catches your attention. There's a section for guided workouts, featured workouts, and note that these featured workouts are mostly premium only, trending workouts, workouts under 15 minutes, and all workouts. Unfortunately, you aren't able to filter these workouts very easily. Workout Creator. A really cool feature of the Adidas Training App is the Workout Creator. Here, you can choose the duration of the workout, ranging from 7 to 45 minutes. You can select a focus with options that include full body, upper body, arms, abs and core, butt, and legs. You can also select difficulty, ranging from basic to intermediate to tough. Then you can choose whether or not you're using resistance bands or just your body weight. And if you live above a neighbor, there's a neighbor-friendly switch you can toggle so the exercises it provides don't cause a lot of noise. When you plug in your specific options and generate a workout, it'll quickly put together a full workout for you to complete. And if there's anything you want to modify, you're able to edit too. Exercise Library. Another helpful tool unique to the Adidas Training App is its comprehensive exercise library. Here, over 300 exercises, mostly bodyweight with a few banded movements, are listed in alphabetical order, and it displays what body region it works out, as well as its difficulty level. When you select an exercise, you can watch a demonstration video, bookmark it for later use, as well as set records for the number of repetitions you knock out. Post-workout data. When you finish a workout, you're given the option to take a photo for your records. You're also given the duration of your workout, an estimate of the calories burned, the ability to label where you worked out, and you're given a breakdown of how long it took you to complete each exercise. Unfortunately, the data doesn't include anything specific like heart rate zones. Progress. Under the Progress tab, you can see your monthly workout statistics, and if you want to see your stats by week, year, or all time, then you need to upgrade to Premium. At a glance, you can see the number of workouts you've completed, total duration, and total calories burned. When you tap See More, you can adjust the month and get a cool look at the different regions you've been working out. You want to find a balance so you're not training some regions more than others. If you've participated in challenges, you can see your past performance here. And something helpful is that you can take progress pics and upload them to the app. Apple Watch integration. There is an Adidas Training App on the Apple Watch, and you can start a workout directly by finding one and selecting it. And during the workout, it lists the exercises you're performing and for how long. Unfortunately, it's limited in the information it provides, in that it doesn't display heart rate or calories burned, just the exercises you're performing. Training plans. If you have fitness goals, such as learning the basics, getting a six-pack or more, there is a training plan tab on the app. Some of these plans are free, while others require premium access. When you select a plan you want, you're given the description, how long the plan lasts, and the different workouts you'll perform each week. You can let the app know how often you'll actually be able to work out weekly, your current fitness level, current weight and height, which days you can work out, and your cardio goal. Afterwards, it creates your workouts. Once you're in a training plan, the tab displays your current progress, the workouts you'll be performing during the week, as well as a way to access the Adidas Running app to get dedicated cardio in. There's also a switch you can toggle to get notifications for workout reminders. Challenges and Creators Club points. There are challenges that you can participate in that involve specific workout activities. These can be found in the Progress tab. For example, the challenge here calls for you to complete 60 minutes of activity in the Adidas Training App. Through these challenges, you can earn points that go towards your Creators Club. The Creators Club is a program that will give you perks for activities you do related to the Adidas brand. Points can come from purchases you make, as well as workouts and challenges you complete in the app. Participation and growth in the Creators Club gives you access to perks like free delivery, special offers, early access to products, and more. You can see your progress in the Creators Club in the More tab on the app. Nutrition and wellness support. In the Feed tab, you can see a wide range of blogs that aim to help you with nutrition and other wellness areas. Most of these really just redirect you to the Adidas website. Under the Progress tab, you can find a nutrition section with some native content that exists in the app. There are detailed topics regarding basics, weight loss, muscle gain, and cross-training. However, to access most of these, you'll need to upgrade to Premium. Social features. In terms of social features, you're able to create a profile and share it with other users. However, the information shared is pretty limited in that it only displays information from the past 30 days, such as the duration spent working out, as well as the number of activities. The good. If your body weight is all you have to work out with, then this app can be really helpful. With the Workout Creator tool, you can target exactly what you want to work out for as long as you have available, and you can make the workout as challenging or as easy as you want it to be. And when you're outside or on the go, the app interface is really clean and easy to follow. And when you have access to a larger screen via Apple TV or Chromecast, the guided workouts can be a viable option too. It's also really cool that with all the workouts and challenges you participate in on the app, that it can translate to real-world perks through the Creators Pass. The bad. The app is deficient when it comes to post-workout data in that it doesn't measure your heart rate. Tying into that, the Apple Watch app is pretty limited in the information it displays too. It doesn't display your heart rate or your calories, just the exercises that you're performing. Another issue with the app is that you can't filter guided or list-based workouts. You can only do that in the Workout Creator. So if you're looking in the catalog for a workout to do, you really just have to scroll through until you find what you're looking for. So there's no way to search for it. There are also very few equipment-based workouts. Most of them are body weight. However, there are a few banded ones. Overall recommendation. Overall, I'd recommend this app to anyone who's really focused on body weight training. It's great for both beginners and those who want to challenge themselves. The Workout Creator tool and the exercise list are really helpful resources. Although post-workout metrics and data are pretty limited, if all you're looking for is a good body weight workout, this app will get the job done. So that's my review on the Adidas Training app. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more fitness app content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.